submit your images to multiple stock agency sites. Why limit your earning source? Why you should submit in only one stock agency site? Different stock sites, different micro stock, macro stock agency sites has different customer bases. Those searching images are those searching images of similar keywords. So if you submit your images in more agency, you will definitely earn more. There are two types of agency stock agency sites available. Number one is micro stock agency. Number two is macro stock agency. We'll discuss both here. Micro stock agency has lower license fee but higher volume sales. For example, Shutterstock, iStock, Dreamstime, Photolayer are the example of micro stock agencies. On the other hand, the macro stock agency has higher license fee but lower volume sales. Example of macro stock agency sites are Elemi, Getty, Corbis, and others.